si Godfrey Quizon, and this is my devotion for today, April 27. And ang topic po natin for today is ano ang tatlong bagay na mangyayari sa hinaharap, or in general, eschatology. So, ang verse po natin for today is Acts chapter 1 verse 11. Babasahin ko po. So men of Galilee, they said, why do you stand here looking into the sky? The same Jesus who has been taken from you into heaven will come back in the same way you have seen him go into heaven. So, ano po ba yung ibig sabihin nito? So, yung teaching natin for today is return of Christ ang first teaching. So, general eschatology is the study of future events. So, the effect the whole world, like the return of Christ, the resurrection of the dead, and the final judgment, and the new heaven and earth. So, this reminds us that history is going somewhere. So, God is moving everything toward a glorious and victorious end. So, yung tatlong main na magaganap daw po sa Bible after ang kamatayan pa natin Panginoon Yesu Cristo is siya po yung marirevive. Babalik po ang ating Panginoon Yesu Cristo dito sa lupa. So, second naman po is yung resurrection po ng mga namatay ng tao dati is i-revive po sila ng ating Panginoon Yesu Cristo. So, third teaching po ay yung third po na mangyayari is magkakaroon po ng bagong heaven and earth, kasi gagawa po ulit ng ating Panginoon ng bagong heaven and earth ng ating Panginoon. So, kaya po of course kailangan talagang magpuri, mag-glorify po natin ang ating Panginoon, refer Him para po mayangat po ang pangalan ng ating Panginoon. So, second teaching is resurrection and judgment. Diba? So, i-resurrect po ng ating Panginoon yung mga namatay na tao for judgment, tsaka po niya i-judge kung makakasama po ba ito sa Kanya. So, third teaching natin is restoration of creation. Ibig sabihin po, babalik po ng ating Panginoon yung perfect na balance po ng heaven and earth, and of course gagawa po siya ng bago. So, i-demolish niya po, buray niya po yung earth and heaven. So, gagawa po siya ng bago. So, that is why nagawa ng ating Panginoon in order for us to have a purification. So, and ayun po. Ako si Godfrey Quizon, and this is my devotion for today, April 27. Sana po ay marami kayo natutunan and po ang